Hello everyone, welcome to Marky Big Smoke. Thanks for joining me, really appreciate it. Well, I've got something special lined up for you. Finally, I've got my own allotment plot. Well, I say allotment plot. It's 100 square meters, almost half a plot. And someone's asked me if I can help them out, clear the weeds, take it on, and whatever I grow this year, I can have to keep. So I've agreed to do it while I'm on the waiting list for a bigger allotment plot. Let's get started. Full of brambles as usual, full of couch grass. I've got to clear all of that bramble space. Plenty of pallets been dumped, plenty of rocks. These are my pallets and a bit of tarpaulin I'm going to use to cover an area when I get started. And yeah, brambles galore. So that's the before shot, guys. I'll do a few more shots as we progress through this week. Here we go. 5 hours work. Got rid of a lot of brambles. We're about just over halfway with the brambles. No, nearly halfway. That's what we've done so far. Cleared quite a lot of that area and there was a load of junk dumped in there. We'll come back when it's all cleared. So, day 2. Brambles cleared. You can see I've left the stubble sticking out of the ground. That's so that I can dig them up and I know where to find them. All the way along here was full of brambles. I've cleared all the way along there. Right back to that back fence, which was totally hidden by brambles. In fact, you can now see all the way along that fence, which is fantastic. 2 days of bramble hacking, and we have done it. Thanks to Susie and Matt for your help. And now the hard work begins. There's still a load of junk in the soil over there. I hope you enjoyed that quick tour round, and I'm making progress, slowly but surely. The weeds are cleared, the brambles are cleared. I've got a lot of work to do, but I'm just going to start small. I've got some plants ready to go, but the soil's not ready yet. I've got a lot to do. I'll bring you back next time and show you if I've made any progress. If you like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate your company. I'll see you again soon on Marky Big Smoke.